the main event of the night. In Pasigat Nimak night, we have Jitesh Sarkar entering into the cage. Jitesh is a veteran of the MMA scene. His record is 11-1, which is a lot. He used to train in Kolkata. He started his journey in Kolkata. He has fought in a lot of places like Sikkim, in Guwahati, in Kolkata, in Kathmandu as well. He trains in Hillside MMA right now. So he belongs to Kolkata, but he shifted to Guwahati just for his MMA career. So that shows his conviction. Jitesh feels he needs one more fight before he turns pro in the next year. He feels he needs one more fight before the end of the year again, and then he will turn pro in the first fight next year. Jitesh has fought even in Mumbai, Punjab, Nagpur, and a lot of places in Northeast. He says he loves fighting in Northeastern part of India compared to other places because the Northeast people are very supportive of MMA and he loves the crowd energy of Northeast people. Jitesh Sarkar is 11-1 in MMA and he has had more than 10 fights in Muay Thai. He has fought even in Chennai. Toki Darang, the main event of the night, the main event fighter, the crowd favorite, entering with a fiery walkout. Toki Darang is more than ready to put a show tonight at Pasigat Nimak night for all the crowd of Pasigat. Just 22 years old, standing 5 feet 6 inches tall. This fight is going to be in flyweight. Toki Darang has got a good amount of experience for himself as well. He has fought in a lot of places, in Atuto twice, in Namsai. He fought in Atuto Namsai last year, and even in Atuto Pasigat last year. And he has fought in Guwahati, Dojang, and then WFC, in Shillong, even in Delhi and Nagaland. So he has fought a lot of people in a lot of different places. Toki Darang has also a couple of kickboxing fights in Dojang Fight League, as well as has had a good amount of grappling competitions in his pocket.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event of the night. It's a semi-pro fight consisting of 4 minutes per round. In the flyweight division, we have fighting from the blue corner, a mixed martial artist with a record of 11 wins. With a record of 11 wins, representing Hillside MMA from Assam, Jitesh Sarkar. Are you ready? Are you ready? All right. Now, from his opposition, fighting from the red corner with record of 7 wins and 2 losses and 1 no contest, representing the Tribe MMA, the one and only Toki the Devil Darang. Are you ready?
Yes!
Are you ready?
Yes!
All right. Good luck, most of you.
Gentlemen, we've been over the rules. Keep this a clean fight. Obey my instructions at all times. When I say stop, stop. If you want to touch gloves now. Come out fighting. God bless.
Jitesh Sarkar in the blue corner and Toki Darang in the red corner. We have our referee Andrew officiating the bout. The main event of Pasighat Mimmak night. And here we go. Both of them are quite experienced and both of them feel like they need just 1 or 2 more fights and then they will turn pro. So we are going to see an almost pro fight tonight.
Oh, heavy hands from Jitesh. Two, hook two.
Okay.
Jitesh picking up Toki Darang and slamming
Just
him.
like potato sack or rice bag, he picked him up and dropped him down. But this means nothing to Toki because he is trying to get up with the right technique, which is to push away the head, create some space.
Jitesh also wrapping his legs around Toki, enabling him to get back on his knees,
Toki
which will
looking-
help him to get back up by
Toki
using the
looking-
cage.
Looking at Samiran Gogoi, his coach, for some instruction right
Toki has an
now.
underhook right now. He can use it to get back up by using the cage, but
But Jitesh is doing a great job of pinning him against the cage with his right knee and an overhook. Jitesh can easily take him down again if he pulls Toki's right hand. And this is a bad place for Toki.
Toki needs to get back up. If you look, it's Jitesh's legs.
Okay, Toki just
reversing the
out
position.
muscles Jitesh with his underhook. And the crowd goes wild. You know who the favorite is, crowd favorite is. It is Toki Darang.
Toki Darang, the crowd favorite, facing off against Jitesh, the outsider.
Toki has the better of the grip right now.
Toki is now trying to go for the leg. He's pressing him against the cage. He's trying to reel his leg in and to pull him with the help of his leg and pull him down. Toki now has a single leg.
Jitesh will be hard to take down as he has a lot of experience.
In terms of grip. Oh, good knee from Jitesh and a nice trip. Jitesh trying to get back up and he picks Toki up and slams him to the ground. And now he got his hooks in. Oh, Toki is in a bad position. Can Toki survive this RNC? It's
Can Toki
almost in.
survive?
Toki
Toki needs to
fighting
fight the hand, break the grip off. Right now, he has a chance to. Toki needs to give mount by keeping his right shoulder to the ground. Right now, he's moving the wrong direction. Toki has to hide his back by. Toki is in a bad spot right now. Toki needs to fight the hands and as well as address the choking hand. Right now, he might get out. I can't see it from here.
Toki is not defending Ritesh's arm.
Toki needs to address the choking hand. That is the right hand of Jitesh.
Oh,
And
it's deep,
I
it's
feel-
deep, it's deep. Toki is still fighting it. Toki is
Jitesh
still-
has
Oh.
got the job done. Jitesh has got the
Right
upset
here.
of the night.
Upset of the night. A great display by Ritesh. Look at Ritesh sitting on top of the cage by defending your man here right at his ground. But there's nothing, he's just semi-pro. It's Toki has gone. Ritesh with his statement here in Pasighat Mimmak night, shutting the crowd out.
To submit Toki Darang that easily, you have to be levels above, which Jitesh proved tonight.
And with this Jitesh know there's levels to this game by submitting Toki Darang very easily. But it's not really that easy to submit Toki Darang.
Hillside MMA, my friends. Jitesh Sarkar is from Hillside MMA. He's got his corners, his coaches in his corner, Ahom Gogoi and his team. Ahom Gogoi also fought in Aduto Pasighat last year, so they are quite familiar with the place, the crowd, and they did bring the energy tonight. Toki Darang needs to accept the loss, get back to the drawing boards, and then bounce back
Over to
again
the
very
judges.
soon.
Over to the referee to make it official.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of this event, main event, by rear naked choke in the first round, 3 minutes 44 seconds, from the blue corner, Jitesh Sarkar!
Jitesh Sarkar from Hillside MMA has made a statement tonight by submitting
Oh,
Toki
hello,
Darang
hello,
in the
Jitesh.
first round.
Congratulations for your spectacular victory. How do you feel about it? Share some thought.
थैंक यू गॉड। हेलो पासीघाट, कैसे हो आप लोग? थैंक यू आप लोग आने के लिए, फाइट देखने के लिए। आप लोग को मजा आया ना? पैसा वेस्ट तो नहीं गया ना? थैंक यू पासीघाट मीमक नाइट ओनर, एंड थैंक यू माय टीम, थैंक यू कोचेस Gogoi, thank you Johnny, and thank you Coach David, and thank you my team Hillside MMA, Assam Guwahati best gym, Hillside MMA. Thank you guys, thank you.
What were you expecting before the fight? आप फाइट में आने से पहले क्या सोच रहे थे? मतलब आपका ओपोनेंट कैसे होगा? How you prepared everything?
मेरा ओपोनेंट अच्छा है, टोकी इज गुड फाइट, इस अरुणाचल का। हम बहुत मेहनत किया इस फाइट के लिए, बहुत मन से ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हैं, इंजोर्ड लेके फाइट खेलने आता है। पीपीआर मेरा बहुत अच्छा था, बहुत हार्डवर्क किया है, उसके लिए ये फल मिला मेरे को। थैंक यू।
All right, congratulations.